So, good day everyone. So, today we are going to fetch and display user data. So, inside our head, we have this header or heading midterm activity 1 fetch and display user data. In here, we have a title fetch and display user data. I will show you what it is like. So, here we have this heading. This is the heading of this inside our body. Yes, and then in the fetch and display user data, it is the title of our website. And then next we have this button on click, and the title of our button is our, or inside the button, what do you think? What do you call that one? So it calls load users. So this is to create a button, and then if you click it, it will runs the load user functions. So we have this on click functions, and then we have this empty div, which is that the ID is user container, and this is will what call this? This is where the user list or the error message will appear. And then we have this script. Inside the script, we have this delay function using set timeout wrap in a promise. So in here, this function delay is to takes a millisecond as an argument. So if this return a new promise, this is will resolve after the milliseconds, and this is to use to simulate waiting like a loading delay. And then we have this async function load user. This one, this is to, or this one. This is to declare the async function load user, which allows using to load or to await. To await lang. This is using await. And then we have this const container document that get element by ID user container. This is where to get the ID user container. This one. So this is from the div of this empty div, and it will store the variable called container. This is our variable now. And then in this we have this is only to show a loading message while fetching user data. So let me show you how it works. So if we click this one, the load user, it will load, or it will display the loading user, and then ta-da, the data will come out. So let me discuss it later. Next we have this try block. This is only to catch and handle any errors that may occur. So we have this await delay 1000. This is only to wait for 1 second. And then we have this const respond await fetch, this one, and the link. This is only to fetch user data from the API, and then it will using the fetch function, this one. And then this is to wait for the response and stores it in the variable response. So this is the variable response. Next, if this is if line, this line, this is only to check the response status if it is not okay. So if not okay, then it throws, or it will show an error with the HTTP status code. This one, HTTP error. This one. And then next we have this const data. This line is to convert only I mean this is to convert the JSON and response data into a JavaScript object or array and stores it in a data. So this is the data it will store. And then next we have this count user list is equals to data. This is only to start a building variable called user list, this one, from the data. And then this line, that map user, this is only to loop through each user in the array using the map, this one, map function. And then we have this const is special company is equals to user that company that name triple equals to Romagera or Romagera Krona. So this is only to check if the user's name is exactly the Romagera Krona, and then it stores the result in a special company. And then we have this return this line this is to return a string of HTML for each user. So that it uses li for the list items, and then if the company is Romagera Krona, it will highlight the text of if the company is Romagera class, and also it will display the user's name and email. And then this dot join, this is to joins all the listed items strings into a single straw in a string in a single string. And then we have this line. This is only to display the users list inside the unlisted unlisted items and or unlisted elements. And then next, unlisted elements in the user container div. And then we have this catch error. This is only to cause an error in the try block, it will jump in here. And then we have this container inner HTML. This is only to show a error message in red inside the page. And then we have this console error. This is only to logs the actual error details to the browser console for debugging. So let me show you how it actually works. So here, this is our website titled Fetch and Display User Data, or the title of the website is Fetch and Display User Data. We have this header. This is our title for the header. And then if we click this load users, it will come out the loading users or the message. And then I highlighted the Romagera Krona, and this is the what do you call it, the outcome. And then if it not Romagera Krona, it it will display this unlisted. So why this it does not show the company? Because in here we have only display the username and email. And that's all, and have a nice day.